Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing? So, as a farmer, I when I was not into farming like the way I am now, then after I graduated from school, I was working. The way I am monitoring myself in terms of self maintenance and self care. For those of you that used to think farmers are always dirty, they are always unkept, they don't care about themselves, they wear dirty clothes. Everything about farmer is something that when you see, you just it will just discourage you as a young person that is passionate about the skill to go into it. My people, is a lie, because our generation is different from the generation of those our ancestors, those our grandparents, great grandparents doing it then. This our generation is a different generation. As a farmer that I am doing it as a skill. I am doing it because I have passion for it. I am doing it because I know is the healthy way to live, is a healthy way to survive this toxic world, the toxic environment. See, this is the time I am now taking self-maintenance as a priority, as a priority. When I mean priority, because I won't want people to see me and say, see the way she's looking. Is it because she's a farmer? That's why she's unkept, she's looking dirty. She's looking so unkept. I cannot come near her. If this is how farmers used to look, I beg, I don't want to farm. I don't want people to be discouraged to venturing into farming because of when they see me and see the way I am looking, they will now be discouraged. Maybe they have passion for it, or something is directing them to that line, to that, for them to venture into something like that. When they now see me, they will not feel discouraged. No. Now that I am fully into farming, my brothers and my sisters, I am taking self-care as a priority. Self-care is the number one thing for me. I don't want anything that people will just see me and say, see the way she's looking. She's looking like an inspired something. All in the name because she chose farming as a career. She is into farming. I want people to see me as a farmer and be encouraged. I want people to see me as a farmer and be motivated, because it is actually the right way and healthy way to live. You farm your food, you nurture your plants, when the thing is mature for harvest, you consume it, you sell some to make money. You consume the one you want to consume with your family. You are sure of what you are consuming. You are very, very sure that you are eating healthy, you are eating organic. Because the world, a lot of people, their conscience is dead. They no longer have conscience. Some of them, the way they act, you will just think that they are not human beings. So the way the world is going, is better for you to start advising yourself. As you are praying and looking up to God for good health and sound mind, walk alongside your prayer. Don't just be praying, Father, I need divine health, I need good health, and you are not doing something about the good health that you are praying for. You are not doing something about the divine health that you are praying for. You need to work for your health. Working for your health is living your life intentionally. Living your life intentionally by growing your food yourself. You cannot grow all. Other farmers may have the ones you can buy. When you are in the community of farming, around farmers, you people can exchange. You buy the ones they have and add to the ones you are planting, so that you know what you are consuming. Farming is a good thing. Those of you that have space in your compound, start using it for a garden. Beautify the space, make it look very neat and organized. Then start using it to farm little veg, little fruit, little things that can come handy for you. I cannot overemphasize on this farming issue. I cannot overemphasize. So as a farmer, being very neat and tidy all the time, looking sharp all the time is my priority. Already I'm a neat freak. My neatness is on cloud, as in is the cloud is out of this world when it comes to my neatness. So now that I ventured into farming, I think I ventured into farming. I was doing it with my grandparents when I was a little girl growing up. But I went to school, graduated, and I started working, doing a professional job. But I think I came back to farming. That was, let me see, I think I came back to farming 2022. That was when I came back to farming. I found myself in the farming. I find myself venturing into farming, going back to my passion, my first love. So I'm now diving into it full time, gradually, by the grace of God. And I'm believing God for a brighter and a greater future ahead of me in my farming career. So I always want to look A sharp. I always want to finish my farm work and come out, and when people see me, I tell them I'm coming from the farm, they will not believe me. That's why my self-maintenance now is ASAP. I don't joke with my self-maintenance now, because I don't want anything that would discourage any upcoming farmer. That farmers are always, I don't want anybody that will see negativity and just be discouraged from venturing into farming as a skill, as a career. So that is me making sure my hair is always on point. I'm just retwisting my locks. I see that the locks had a little undergrowth. After washing it, it was dry. I'm retwisting it because a woman's, generally, not just women, boys, men, women, children, girls, when your hair start getting rough, your face will start looking rough, you start looking unkempt. So the beauty of anybody, either be it male or female, is when your hair is neat, your haircut as a guy is on point, your hair as a woman is neatly done. Your face will always look fresh. You have a good bath, you eat the right food, you have the right rest, you have a proper rest, you rest, give yourself rest, you walk when you are supposed to walk, you eat healthy, you'll see that as a person you always look sharp, you always look attractive to yourself. When you walk past the mirror, you look at yourself, you will be happy with yourself. So don't stop seeing the negative parts, negative side of farming. I'm here to show you the positive side of farming and erase every negative side of farming that has been discouraging you from venturing into it or from reasoning it. My main aim on this my platform is to make you see the positive side of farming and make you see that a young person can venture into farming and live a life of fulfillment and live a life of purpose and live a life that is at peace. A word is enough for the wise. Stop competition, focus on God and ask him to lead you and direct you to that skill that you have, that he has deposited in you, that passion, and nurture it, bring it alive, bring it to life. Love you, my darlings. Take good care of yourself. Kisses to all of you. Bye.